Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
detailing tools.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Clean those hard-to-reach spots of your vehicle with a Vortex 2 Air Whip cleaning tool. The tool's cone shape and oscillating whip channel compressed air, creating a vortex that quickly lifts dirt and moisture from any surface. The tool can cover a large area, yet is still targeted to provide a blast of air right where you need it. The Vortex 2 has many detailing applications. Blast away crumbs, trash, or dust under car seats, or clean seams in the dashboard and trim. Avoid drip marks by blasting water out of body seams and from around windows. The tool can reach places you can't see, allowing you to complete your detailing job faster. To operate the Vortex 2, attach it to an air compressor operating between 60 and 90 psi. Press the trigger to release a powerful gust of air. For a high-powered, quick clean, choose Vortex.
Meguiar's DA Power System Kit comes with everything you need to take detailing to the next level. Convert your standard corded drill into a dual-action polisher simply by attaching the DA Power System tool. With Ultimate Compound and the DA Compound Pad, you can quickly remove oxidation, scratches, swirls, and water spots without harming your paint. Ultimate Polish and DA Polish Pad help to create deep, wet reflections and prepare your paint for wax. Finish with Ultimate Liquid Wax and a DA Wax Pad to give your vehicle maximum protection, durability, and depth of color. Save time and effort, get amazing results, and let your drill do the work with the DA Power System Kit.
When your tools cause more frustration than help, it takes the fun right out of detailing.
Now, every time you move around your vehicle, you're limited by your hoses and cords getting caught under the tire. This not only slows you down, but can do some serious damage to the polished paintwork. Detail guards are super simple to use. Just place and push firmly on the outside corner of each tire. Once you place the detail guards under the tire, you won't be frustrated by your tools again. There's 3 locking contact points. This ensures they stay snugly in place. The highly efficient rollers on the back. Now, every time you move around your vehicle, you're limited by your hoses and cords tire. This not only slows you down, but can do some serious damage to the detail guards are super simple to use. Just place and push firm side corner of each. Once you place the detail guards under the tire, you won't be frustrated by your tools again. There's 3 locking contact points. The highly efficient rollers on the back line guidance function. It collects loose lines and draws them back onto the rollers. It's super durable and resistant to all your chemical cleaning products. This ensures it lasts for a long time.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to unbox the TICARVE. The car cleaning gel can be used car cleaning gel because it doesn't seem to matter how many times I try to vacuum dirt and debris off of there. So I also like to use it on the car air vents, both in the front. Use it on the air vents that come up here or the console panel, any kind of storage bins that you have to reach areas. This gel is perfect for. In your car, this is perfect while also doing something functional that helps the family. For when you're done using the gel, you just want to put it back in the container, put the lid on, tighten it up, and it'll be good. Tighten it up and it'll be